Have you ever pondered the strength it takes to rise after falling victim to violence? Consider the story of Jane, a true testament to the resilient human spirit. Jane, an ordinary woman with an extraordinary tale, fell victim to violence at a young age. This harsh reality, a storm that threatened to consume her, became a turning point. Jane chose resilience over despair, strength over surrender. She embarked on a journey of recovery, transforming her pain into power. Jane's story is a powerful reminder of the strength of the human spirit. Jane's journey is not unique. Many others have walked similar paths, marked by violence and fueled by resilience. Violence is pervasive, making support for victims crucial. It's time we champion societal change and understanding. It's our responsibility to foster a society where such stories become a thing of the past. The tales of victims like Jane aren't just stories, they are lessons